Hello everyone, now let us see one more numerical for the solution of state equation. So here we have a state variable representation of a system according to equation first and equation second. We also need we also know the value of x of 0, it is 1 0. But here we want to calculate the response by of t. But for calculating by of t, first we have to determine x of t. After that, from second equation, we can calculate by of t with the help of matrix of elements 0, 1 into x of t. And how we can calculate x of t? We can calculate x of t according to solution of state equation. In previous numerical, already I have told you solution of state equation. Solution of state equation is given by x of t equal to phi t x of 0 plus inverse Laplace of phi of s b u of s. Phi t already we know it is a state transition matrix and it is given by inverse Laplace of si minus a inverse. Phi of s already we know it is si minus a inverse. We can define system matrix A and input coupling matrix B according to given state model. If we compare first and second with standard state model, we have value of matrix A. It is given by 0, 1, 0, minus 1. We have value of matrix B. It is 0. And we have a value of matrix C. It is 0, 1. We have a value of matrix D. It is 0. But here in formula, we are not using the value of matrix C and the value of matrix D. Here our focus is for matrix A and for matrix B. Because in formula we have phi t x of 0 plus inverse Laplace of phi of s b u of s. And phi of t is inverse Laplace of si minus a inverse. And phi of s is si minus a inverse. So we want system matrix A and input coupling matrix B. Here we are not using matrix C and matrix D. And u of s, already we know it is a Laplace transform of input variable u of t. Already I have told you in equation, suppose 1. First term, that means phi of t x of 0 will define 0 input response, and second term will define 0 state response. In numerical matrix B is 0, so 0 state response becomes value 0. So here just we will calculate 0 input response according to relation phi of t x of 0. Now let us see how we can calculate. So first we have to determine Si minus A. So Si minus A is given by S. I is identity matrix 1 0 0 1 minus matrix A we know 0 1 0 minus 1. So we have Si minus A according to S minus 1 0 S plus 1. Now let us calculate Si minus A inverse according to relation adjoint of Si minus A divided by determinant of Si minus A. So adjoint of Si minus A, we have S plus 1 1 0 S. Determinant we have S into S plus 1. So Si minus A inverse is given by 1 by S. 1 by S into S plus 1. 0 1 by S plus 1. This is value for Si minus A inverse. Suppose this is my second equation. Now let us calculate state transition matrix, means phi of t, with the help of relation inverse Laplace of Si minus A inverse, or you can say inverse Laplace of matrix of elements S plus 1 of elements 1 by S one over S into S plus 1 0 1 over S plus 1 1 by S. For this we can easily calculate the inverse Laplace transform. It is u of t, and for second element, for the first row, to calculate inverse Laplace transform, first we have to write 1 over S into S plus 1 into partial fraction form. After that we can calculate the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over S into S plus 1. So in partial fraction form, second term we can write according to 1 by S minus 1 over S plus 1, and we know inverse Laplace of 1 by S ut minus inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 1 e to the power minus t ut. For 0, inverse Laplace transform becomes 0, and for 1 over S plus 1, inverse Laplace transform becomes e to the power minus t ut. So this is value for system, this is value for phi of t or state transition matrix. Suppose this is my equation third. So let us put value of phi of t, value of phi of S, value of x of 0, and value of b in equation first. Put the value of phi of t, x of 0, phi of S, value of matrix B, in equation first. So we can write first equation according to, or we can say first equation becomes x of t equal to phi of t. We know it is ut minus e to the power minus t ut 0 e to the power minus t ut. X of 0 already we have according to the numerical, it is a 1 0 plus phi of s means si minus a inverse. Si minus a inverse already be calculated. So plus inverse Laplace of si minus a inverse, and si minus a inverse is 1 by s, 1 over s into s plus 1 0 1 over s plus 1. Matrix B, it is 0 u of s. So second term becomes 0. That's why we have x of t equal to 1 0 u of t. U of t I am taking as a common term. So this will provide required solution for the state equation. But here we want to calculate the value of bi of t. So from second equation, according to the numerical, we can calculate bi of t with the help of 0 1 x of t. Let us put the value of x of t from the previous equation. So we have 1 0 u of t, or you can say after multiplication, after matrix multiplication, we have y of t equal to 0. So response becomes 0. So conclusion is that here we want to calculate the value of y of t, and we can calculate the value of y of t according to given output equation, or according to given equation second. This is my given equation. This is my given equation. So don't confuse with the first and second, because here I am using first, here I am also using first. So that's why here I am writing first given, and here I am writing second given. So we can calculate bi of t according to second given equation. So to calculate bi of t from second given equation, first we have to define x of t. And x of t we can calculate according to solution of state equation with the help of relation phi of t x of 0 plus inverse Laplace of phi of s be u of s. Phi of t we can calculate with the help of inverse Laplace of si minus a inverse, and phi of s we can calculate with the help of si minus a inverse. A we can define with the help of state equation, or with the help of state model. B can define with the help of state model or state equation. After comparing a state model or given state model with standard state model. So we have system matrix A and input coupling matrix B. So we can easily calculate phi of s, we can easily calculate phi of t, we can easily calculate zero input response, and we can easily calculate zero state response. After combining both, we have x of t, or solution of state equation. If we know x of t, we can calculate response y of t. So thank you.